Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add a blank page on your Microsoft Word document. So this can be useful if you want to create a blank page in between different areas of your document. So I'm going to just show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to just go to the area that I want to create the page blank space for. And I'm just going to click at the end of the first page I want to create the space in between. So once I've clicked into there, I'm going to go up to the Insert tab, should be the third tab from the left side, and then I'm going to left click on Blank Page, and you can see that it just moved everything down in between those two pages. So now the page that used to be right after this area is now 2 pages after. So it's pretty straightforward. I do hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.